This video got 10,000 views in less than 24 hours, and I didn't even come up with the idea myself. My OpenClaw did. It spotted a trending topic before anyone else on YouTube sent it to me in the morning. I recorded, I uploaded, and by that evening, the views were flying in. This is by far the most powerful tool that you can use in order to make content right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set this up, how it works, and how you can do the exact same thing to make it happen using OpenClaw for your channel. So let's dive right in. Alright, so this is very simple. The only thing that I asked OpenClaw to do was just a couple of things. The first thing was that every single morning it gives me a morning brief where it does the following. It will first research Twitter, X, and other resources out there for the last 24 hours of news. And it will compile all of this news in my niches, which in this case is game development for the other channel, which is that one that I uploaded the video to, and then for AI, which is for this channel. And it will basically come up with video ideas for that specific news. So for example, today there's a news about Microsoft replacing the Xbox boss with an AI executive, right? And it literally just said, okay, you have to do this video right now, today, because no one else has done a video about this topic, it's trending, and you can get so many views. And without OpenClaw and this morning brief that is configured in this, manner, I wouldn't be able to literally make this video and get this amount of views and all that stuff, because I'm not capable of just keeping up with news. But the thing is that that morning brief that I show you guys is just the 1% of what OpenClaw does for me in terms of content management, because it also went ahead and created a complete content hub mission control where it automatically adds every single day new video ideas, and it recommends what I need to post every single day. On top of that, it orders with a certain priority, so I can basically choose which video will perform the best, and it will literally explain why this will work and why this specific video could be an outlier, because it's researching other YouTube channels in the niche for outliers. Outliers are just videos that does way better than the average for that specific channel, and it just comes up with a new idea based on that. It's literally like having Mr. Beast work for you as an AI. Literally, that's it. And yeah, like I said, since I started implementing OpenClaw into my content creation workflow, I started getting viral views just like that. Like again, I uploaded this video because OpenClaw recommended this trending thing on the morning brief and said, no one has done a video about this on YouTube in your niche, which is game development. Go ahead and film this right now today. I did, and pretty good results in just 1 or 2 days. This was an outlier for me, for example, in my Gorky Games channel, right? So this is literally just the 1% of what you can do with OpenClaw. And to make your lives easier, I literally went ahead and gave you the exact prompt that you can use to just paste it into your own OpenClaw to have the same morning brief and research as me. So literally just join my free school community, which is linked in the description. Open this post and literally just go and copy the whole prompt. Just filling your details, so OpenClaw knows about your niche and your YouTube space and everything, and you just paste it in, and that's it, okay? And in my case, I set it to send it to me every 8 a.m. in the morning, but you could do it whatever time you want. You could do it weekly, you could do it daily like I am doing, whatever. Of course, OpenClaw is fully customizable. It's just an AI assistant, so you just take this base of a prompt that I kind of used and just customize it for yourself, and that's it. And that's it, guys. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see a video about how OpenClaw also created my own mission control with the content hub, where it organizes all of my videos in this way, go ahead and let me know down in the comments, and I'll post this next, so you can level up your OpenClaw in terms of content creation. Remember to join up my free school community, link in the description. And now, yes, with that said, bye.